Hello guys, I am Arvind and in this lecture I am going to discuss introduction to machine learning. So let's get started with the machine learning. Our first topic is what is machine learning. So machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence and the name machine learning was coined up in 1959 by Arthur Samuel. So the founder of machine learning was Arthur Samuel. So, machine learning is a concept which allows the machine to learn from examples and experiences and even improve themselves without being explicitly programmed. So, the basic principle of machine learning is to build algorithms that can receive input data and use statistical analysis to predict an output while updating outputs as new data becomes available. So instead of you writing the code, what you do is you feed data to the generic algorithm and the algorithm or machine builds the logic based on the given data. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.